Digitally signing a large group of documents is now even easier with the help of Revu 2017's Batch Sign and Seal feature. Architects, engineers, and other professions that utilize signatures and seals for signing off on plans can apply these to all of the documents that they need to, including those with pages of different sizes. Users can place and sign a digital signature field or automatically target an existing signature field on each document. This feature also provides the ability to apply a professional seal and the current date. Before you begin, it's best to have a stamp created to use as a seal if you intend to use that functionality. To sign a large group of documents, start by going to File, Batch, Sign and Seal. This will open the Batch Sign and Seal dialog box where you can choose the files to sign off on. Click on the triangle next to the Add button to select whether to add files, files already open in Revu, a folder, or a folder and its subfolders. In this case, we'll select a folder. You'll see that the files contained in the folder are listed in the field above. Should you need to reuse this batch, you have the option of saving the batch by clicking the button at the bottom right. Click Next to continue. The Batch Sign and Seal dialog box will expand to fill your screen. There are 4 major sections you will need to work with: Signature, Date, Seal, and Preview. In the Signature section, you select the type you wish to use, either signature or certification. Then, you choose the digital ID that you will associate to the signature. Below that, you'll have to enter the password to the digital ID to log in and use it. If you want, you can choose a reason for signing off on the document from the Reason drop-down menu. You can then add additional information like location and contact info. You can also choose to include the date on your documents as well. You can choose to flatten the date and allow markup recovery if you wish. Below that is the Placement drop-down, where you can choose to manually place the date or to add it to any of the date fields defined on the documents. You also have options for the appearance and format of the date below that. Then there is the seal. Some professionals or organizations use a unique seal along with their signature to sign off on documents. Batch Sign and Seal lets you use a PDF stamp as a seal. Click on Import to select the seal you'd like to use. The seal will be imported to the drop-down list so you can use it in the future as well. Your signature can be placed over the seal, as is often the case when using paper, rubber stamp, and a handwritten signature. As a matter of fact, the signature, date, and seal can all be manually placed in the document using the preview area to the right. As its name suggests, the preview area lets you see what your signature, date, and seal will look like relative to your document. When manual placement is enabled, you can move the items exactly where you want them. Resizing is necessary, allowing you full control over the placement. Beneath the preview area, you will notice a drop-down menu marked Page Size. To change the location of the signature per page size, use the controls beneath the preview window to select each paper size and place the signature wherever is appropriate for those pages. If the signatures need to be in a different place on multiple sheets of the same size, it's best to do this using PDFs with existing signature fields and changing the manual placement option to the signature field option. Because professional seals are commonly required to be a specific size, the placement can vary by page size, but the seal size will remain the same across all pages. With Batch Sign and Seal, it's important to remember that any edits made after the signature was placed will invalidate that signature.